rheumatoid of speed is very good. So I started watching high yield series of that was very useful for me, and the videos of speed really, I tell it was very useful.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Madumitha for scoring a topmost rank of AML rank number 3 in DM Rheumatology Super Speciality in NEES April 2026. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So it's great and amazing that your performance really inspired all of us. And can we know when your interest towards the rheumatology started from general medicine? And then once it started,
Sir, when I joined MD, I didn't have any interest in super specialty, and I had interest in all the super specialty branches. That was the issue with me. I liked gastro also so much, nephro also so much, and cardio in the first 6 months. So every branch I had interest. So rheumat was always there because we had seen the cases, and by treating the patients, we always have an interest towards rheumat, and we had good guidance also from consultants because of rheumat, and also neuro. Every part I liked. That was the problem. So I couldn't judge any super specialty which I could specialize till my till my final year. After giving final year, everyone started asking what will be next, what will be next. So I was thinking what I should do next. So every super specialty has its own good points also, sir. So what I thought was what will suit me the most. I like procedures also. It's not that I didn't like procedures. I had exposure with nephro, this biopsy or even the perm cat, everything. So nephro also I liked so much. So I was just thinking what I should do. Then I thought, okay, ultimate goal of me was taking general medicine was to see patients and treat them. I don't want to go to a surgical branch. So I decided that, and then I finalized. By the end of my final year, like around November, I finalized one branch that will be rheumat. So then I gave NEET also, sir. And then there was a confusion for me whether I'll take in NEET or I'll wait for INI because the seats are less. Then I dedicated 4 months from January to April. I dedicated 4 months for rheumat, and then
very good, excellent, great. Now, can we know? I mean, a brief background
yes,
from who started. I mean, what all you have done, medicine, all where all the has been done. So, can we know that?
yes, sir. Sir, I have done my MBBS from Tamil Nadu Government Medical College, Thuthukudi, sir. From there, I did MD General Medicine from AIMS Raipur, and now might be Rishikesh or Raipur, I think, sir. Again,
So, Rishikesh one seat, Raipur one seat, is it?
yes, sir. And PGI one seat, so obviously rank one, they will take PGI, sir. So no options.
So, okay. So, very nice. So, from Thuthukudi to AIMS and back again to AIMS again.
Yes, sir.
So, you're schooling from?
Sir, from Coimbatore, I did my schooling. Sir, till 10th, I studied in Coimbatore, sir. Then 11th, 12th, I joined SRV for this MBBS. They used to join during that time. That was the procedure. Like every family member will go and join there. So they joined me in hostel. There, I stayed for 2 years, sir. Then after finishing that, I went to Thuthukudi. Then again,
So, all through learning process, 2 years plus 6 years, 8 years, 8 years plus three
yes,
years, 11 years, 11 plus another 3 years is 14
yes, sir. Yes,
years
sir.
of continuous learning journey.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Taking this break in between the 6 months are like nowadays the super specialty trend has started. No, sir. Initially, no one was like this. Everyone will take a break. Aram se they will do some 6 months, 1 year, somewhere SRship they will take. But nowadays, immediately they finish and they take a super specialty. That has changed. I think that is not needed because practicing general medicine only in the 3 years needs a separate. That whole 3 years is needed, sir, because we have to learn clinical thing. We have to learn the diagnosis, treatment part, procedures, thesis and patient management skills. So many things are there. So the 3 years, I don't know how people manage to read, but that has changed. That is only more stressful, that part, sir. Otherwise, time is fine. We can manage.
Great. So, what did you do? I mean, what are the methodology, strategy behind your preparation to achieve this topmost rank of rank number 3?
Sir, basically, sir, first 3 years, I used my first 6 months. Since I went to a new place, I have to learn the language. I don't know Hindi when I went, sir. So that 3 months went in learning language. Then I started loving medicine so much. The patient, seeing behind bedside how much time we spend. The result I saw, sir, like the improvement in the patient, that made me more interest to get more interest in managing the patient bedside. So that was our like first 6 months I did that. Then again that HDO ICU management was there. So I went into that part and management. Okay, this is different from what we manage in ward patients. So behind this, every patient whom I see, I'll go and study in Up to Date or Harrison or watching videos behind that or any journals related to the like that only more practical only I was there. Sir. Even in OPD, when we see a case, okay, this patient I don't know, I'm using some help of my seniors, or I used to ask with the SRs because we have very good SRs of nephro or neuro consultants, even rheumat. Everyone are very approachable. So we used to discuss with them. My most of my 2.5 years went in discussing and seeing patients, discussing, managing them, and like that only, sir. So I felt happiness from that, true happiness from that. Then last 6 months, this final year, then again the thesis, final year, those that part was more stressful for me. I thought, okay, I can sit in OPD and I can see patient, but not sit in room for hours and hours. Then finally, after finishing my final year, I decided, okay, my branch is this. I started using speed like around October. I didn't know about speed that much, sir. So by October, people said Rheumat of Speed is very good, and you watch that. So I started watching high yield series of Arun Tiwari sir. That was very useful for me, and I understood. Okay, it's impossible to read the entire book, but important topics we should read. So like that, I started reading Kelly because everyone used to say Kelly they start reading from second year, but I didn't do like that. I only know the guidelines, sir. Like even if I treat patients, I used to see the guideline. I used to discuss with the consultant. Never I had an idea or time might be there, but I didn't have an idea to open Kelly and read and manage patients. So Kelly was very new to me. When my exam ended by around November end, I started reading Kelly itself. Like 3 months, I like important topics I have finished. Then some part I made my own notes. Or I don't get printed notes. I always make my own notes. Then from there, I went to Hoshberg because some part of Hoshberg also they started asking. So even in this exam, I could see some questions like that. So that I studied and all the ULR and ACR guidelines that I made notes and the videos were very useful. So like 1 month first my in the January month when I was studying Kelly, I used to study, see video and then go and read Kelly. That was very easy, sir. Actually, otherwise reading that entire book was very difficult. So this was my preparation, sir.
Very nice. Very nice. Excellent. So, message to the future aspirants of DM rheumatology.
Yes, sir. Rheumata, the seats, the only problem is the number of seats, sir. I used to think that somewhere God has given that luck, that point 0.5. I was seeing the rank 4% was just some points, decimal difference between me and him. And even the rank above me, we had some 2 marks difference. This very gap is very less. So if we are very much dedicated that we want to go into a central institute, then they have to read Kelly and Hoshberg, sir. And it's not like we have to study from first year. It is where I study like for 3 to 4 months. That is more than enough, sir. Dedicated time of 3 to 4 months is enough to read that because we don't read that entire book, only the important topics, and they repeat from the topics, sir. And if they are going to focus on NEET, then Harrison and general medicine part they should be very thorough. And practical approach is more important. So these things which we see from patients, general medicine part I didn't prepare that much, but since we had exposure, practically we see patients, that was very useful. So I used to always say, even my juniors or whoever who asked me, general medicine, 3 years is for general medicine only. Super specialty, in between you have interest, you can study that. Seeing patients is what I used to advise everyone. Sir, you see them, you learn from them, you can crack any exam. That's my advice, sir.
Very nice. Very nice. Excellent.
Yes,
Time
sir.
to thank whom
Thank
all
you.
you wish to time to thank whom all you wish to thank that they helped you from day one.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. I used to first my parents are they were very much like they used to support me throughout this. Even they didn't question me what I was doing for the 6 months. I said my NEET rank only to my mom because the rank was somewhat good, sir. So everyone said you have to take a NEET. Most of them, 90% said you are missing a chance. You have to take CMC Velour. But I didn't like you have to go to SGPJ. I didn't like the bond aspects. So my parents were very supportive. That part I will always tell. So without them, it's impossible. And obviously, God, sir, I truly trust in Him. That decimal mark and all, it is in Him only. So and my consultants rheumatologist we had exposure with rheumatologists, sir, and Joydeep Samantha sir, who was like every even though we don't directly if we have time to discuss, by seeing the treatment only we can find, okay, they are treating like this. And even the neuro ma'am, we had very good exposure from the consultants and my seniors who guided. So like many of my seniors, they were very supportive. Even those who are in the super specialty departments, they used to guide us very properly. They never demotivate us. Whenever we asked out, they used to discuss with us. And my family, obviously, they were very supportive, sir. And speed app also, sir. Like I was very much confused. Everyone was in a hurry. Okay, they are giving this much time in this QBank, that one, but I didn't have that much time. But the videos of speed, really, I tell it was very useful, sir, because practically the thing which Arun Tiwari sir is teaching is exactly from Kelly, and that was the most important thing I'll tell, sir.
Great. I'm very happy for your growing
Thank you, sir.
rheumatology as a super
Thank you, sir.
specialty. I wish you all
Thank
the
you,
best,
sir.
all the success.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Wishes to you.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Thank you.